Hey everyone, welcome to the MIA log, and today I have with me right here a giant box which contains the CyberpowerPC. I think it's pronounced Wyvern gaming PC. Now inside here is an Intel i5 10th generation 10400F. It's got the Nvidia RTX 3060 in here, 12GB version of that 3060. It's got 16GB of RAM, a 240 gig SSD, a 1TB hard drive, and it's powered by a 60-watt PSU. So let's get to unboxing. Right, now this is a big box, so I've got to move things out the way. Is that even still in frame? It is in frame. Thank God for wide angle lenses. Right, let's get my beautiful knife back out. Wrong way again. Amazon, you did not need to put it inside another box when it's already in a box. Right, so this is the actual packaging you're going to get, not the giant box it was inside earlier. Get my trusty knife out again. Alrighty, look at that. Now we are welcomed with some important quick start guides. Let's have a quick look, shall we? Packaging removal, so I got to open it up and take out all this stuff first, and then I got to remove all the connectors. Why do I have to do all of this first? Then we have another one. Please ensure you keep your packaging. Your original packaging will be required for any returns. If you have any issues with your system, please refer to the quick. So I have to keep this giant box just in case there's something wrong with the desktop. Well, ain't that a... Now let's get inside. I don't like to see these, to be honest, anymore. Like, I'm all about sustainable packaging, and although these provide good cushioning for the desktop, there are sustainable options. They do cost a bit more, but I'm so used to having sustainable products sent to me that these aren't nice to see. Anyway, let's get this pulled out. I've got a tower building over there, just full of boxes. CyberpowerPC. Look at that. Look at that. It's nice. Nice. So on the device you have the power button, which looks like it's got an RGB light around it. You've got what looks like to be a headphone, and that might be a mute button. There's a button here with a headphone icon here. I think that's the light to tell you that you're using the storage. You've got a dedicated headphone jack, microphone jack, and USB 3.0s. Two of them located over here. And then you've got air vents over here, which are magnetized. Are they magnetized? Yes, they are magnetized. Along the front of the PC, it's all clear. Nothing on the face of it, so it's all located on top. And then we've got this thing here, so let's... So you've got 3 RGB fans and then the CyberPower logo right here. I see this attracting a lot of dust and dirt and my fingerprints. Got a HDMI port, DVI port, VGA port, old traditional keyboard and mouse inputs, which I haven't seen in a very long time. Then you've got 2 USB Type 2.0s, 2 USB Type 3.0s, another 2 USB Type 2.0s, Ethernet port, and again your inputs for your audio inputs for your audio and your microphones. Then you've got a HDMI cable and then 3 display ports. And then you've got a power on and off switch over here. And for some reason it was left on. Oh, that's good to know. So it doesn't actually require you to use any screws or anything. You just simply do that and that pops off. recyclable one. Right. Wait, do I have to put this PC together? Why is it so bare bone? I've got to put a wireless adapter on it. I've got all these screws and cable ties. And I've got a controller for the RGBs. Taken off the side, I've taken off the packaging. Now I need to go into cable management. Is alright in here. So this is it. Right, let's get to plugging this thing in. First, let's put this back on. The Wi-Fi adapter. I've got anywhere to put this, otherwise I'm going to lose it. Looks like I'm going to lose it. Alright, well, I'm going to clean all this up and then we'll fire this up. So the device didn't actually come with any keyboard and mice, and to be honest with you, the only recent desktops I've been unboxing have been Dell devices, and every single Dell desktop that I've ever received always came with a keyboard and mouse, so I always thought that was a standard thing. So luckily I've still got my basic Dell keyboard and mouse, so I'll be using that to fire this machine up, and then let's crack on with it. I'll close the blinds so you can see the device properly. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to turn the switch on at the back. That's how the machine looks. Give it an LED controller, so you can change what color your RGBs are. So that's the brightest. I think that stands for speed. Don't know what that does. Right, so let's get cracking. So I'm going to be setting this PC up. We're going to do some gaming testing, some editing testing. We're going to do some 3D designing on it. Let's put it through its paces, and then I'll get back with a full review. So that was the unboxing of the CyberpowerPC. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.